All right, I have gone ahead and marked up the studs to kind of measure out that space where the rack and the cabling box will be. The green marks are roughly where the top of the built-in will be. And then those three conduits you see there will extend up and into the box for the fiber and the network drops for the office floor and the kitchen island. But as we kind of pan up, you'll see the bottom of the rack will roughly be there, kind of above where there's going to be a printer on top of the built-ins. And then I have gone ahead and roughed in cross member for underneath the box that will open, to the rack for the cabling and audio speaker wire to come out.